What's up, guys? We just did day 7.
Yeah.
It just posted, so watch that. And we're gonna try the vanilla snow cotton candy that we both gave each other. So let me open mine up. I just brushed my teeth. Okay. Sorry for that. It was on 15 seconds. Okay. So this is the bite I'm gonna get to try.
You're gonna eat the whole entire thing?
No, I'm playing. So this is the actual bite I'm gonna try. Pretty big bite. You get a bite?
This is the bite that I'm
That's a
gonna
tiny
take.
bite. Okay, ready?
Yeah, but it's big on the camera.
3, 2, 1.
It smells like snow and it tastes like snow.
That's so good.
It is. Hold on, I want to get
I
another
need
bite.
another bite. I be ballin' all day, all night. I be ballin'.
I feel like, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I didn't eat anything because I just woke up, but I'm only going to have one more bite. But that is amazing.
I ate something today, but I brushed my teeth and it's still good.
Holy buckets of goods.
So what do you rate it? I rated a 9. 9.9.
I rate it a 567, 666, 7, 8, 9, 2, 5, 6, 6, 7, 6, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Out of 10.
Okay, but